Still hood, but the meat luxurious. Who the fuck could if I would get gully? This 4-7, get your whole crew bumpy. See a little shine, tell a bitch, don't worry. Niggas still good with the shot like Curry. Can't see me, but a bitch ain't puppy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had a fabulous Memorial Day weekend, because I sure did, because I was sent this amazing braided lace wig. I've never in life had extensions ever, because my mom never put extensions in my hair, and then my hair was relaxed on top of that. I'm natural now, but y'all know before I was relaxed, so I never wanted to put braided extensions in my hair because I just felt like it would pull my hair out even more, so I kind of just stayed away from them. I've never actually worn them to this day. I've never actually like went and got braids, so I feel like the next best thing to that would just be a braided wig that resembles that look. Now remember when I told y'all I'm just gonna ease up on the NICKI looks? A lot of you guys surprisingly were just like, no, keep on going, we don't care, we love it, keep on doing it, you're the only one that's doing it. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna keep up the NICKI looks. The inspired look, the same exact thing, the side braid, the little blonde pieces. That Saturday night Memorial weekend, and I went and I partied, and I'll insert some clips here. I went, I partied, I had a great time. My wig stayed in place the whole night.
You know this pussy is juicy. Bitch, she's custom made, now you can't get it, that sex though. I don't work in no office. The party, cream on the beat. The party, pull up in the space coupe, I live with Marty. I can actually afford to get a
That's the good side of your mind. Let me tell you how I start my morning. Hold up.
Compliments, the whole club was complimenting me. I love your hair, I love your hair, I love your hair, I love it. Where did you get it done at? How many inches? Da 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 da. I want the same style. Like, and when I told them that this was a wig, everybody's mouth dropped. Like, I received this wig from Anne Elise Hair and Wigs, anneeliserealhair.com. This is how the box looks. Anne Elise Real Hair sells wigs, and Anne Elise Real Hair sells hair extensions, braided wigs, frontals, and closure wigs. What I'm wearing is Anne Elise's Real Hair's Leo Cornrow unit. It is $230 US. It is made with a full lace wig unit. This unit is every shade of natural flawlessness, cornrowed both front and back on a full lace to look like it's done on your scalp, which it does. This unit is effortless and lightweight, which it is. Oh, that's another thing I want to say. It doesn't feel heavy at all. All of our units are handmade and custom ordered. Therefore, please allow 2 to 3 weeks minimum for production. The braid strands are made using premium synthetic something fiber. Okay, here we are at the frontal, guys. So I'm doing a voiceover for this clearly because you can't hear me. So as you can see, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Like, it looks like it was braided into my hair. I just cannot believe this. It's absolutely amazing. So if you do purchase this wig, you won't have to worry about the front, because the front is absolutely perfect. That's my favorite part of the wig, honestly. And here we are at the back. Yes, as you can see, it looks like scalp in the back between the braids. It has a large clip in the back that goes right underneath my hair. Now, my hair is growing super fast, you guys, so that's why it's seeping out. But I promise you, when I went out, it did not look like that. I gelled it up. And it fit right underneath the wig, nice and neat. But I do like to have a little bit of pieces hanging out so it could look a little bit natural. But the back, no problems at all. And now I'm just going to get into a quick tutorial of how I install it. Now let me just tell you guys, I've already cut off the lace. I've already added my foundation to the front of the wig. So all you're getting right now is just me putting the wig back on after taking it off after the weekend. I will do another video doing the whole entire wig. If I do receive another wig like this again, I will do that in the future. But until then, enjoy this mini review. You care about me?
You can never get grown, this bitch. Hold your dick and split while I walk and dip. See, nigga get serious, on them quick. These bras be serious. I ain't finna give them this heat, she furious. Do it look good down there, just curious. Still hood, but the meat luxurious. Who the fuck could if I would get gully? This 4-7, get your whole crew bumpy. See a little still shine, tell a bitch don't worry. Niggas still good with the shot like Curry. Can't see me, but a bitch ain't blurry. I keep it crystal, I keep a nigga wet, wet on the whistle. Bet your nigga running, checking the pistol. These little hoes packing the pickle, bubble little wiggle, jiggle the mental. Yo, like oh my god, paper baby, I swipe that card. Fuck you payment, just check these bars. Easy, crazy, and so do what? Fuck 'em like I'm taking a V card. I sniff 'em when I look and get 'em bigger than V bars. I hit 'em with the kitty kitten, rocking the V guard. I spit it when I kill 'em, bitches looking like please God. Candy taste that marmalade. Salt you fucking that chocolate babe. Want to lake with that pansy, ayy. Got to making that double take. Need my bitch now that she on my grave. Candy tasting that shit so ayy. Want to lake with that pansy, ayy. And I'm into your friends, can I hit 'em up? I'm a bad little bitch with a little blood. Plans to your crib, ain't hit us up. 10 with a tissue, serious bitch. I ain't running this point blank period. Name one bitch on SoundCloud carrying. Who should kill the next? That shit various. These rap niggas so suck, I ain't very lit. It's soft, extra spit, niggas better get all my chips and I did being better it. I can't stand these niggas confederate. Niggas mad that I win it and they never is. Sugar been a winner since the beginning and they never did. Niggas talk too much, see they never did. And your niggas said the kitty be the wetterest. Candy taste that marmalade. Salt you fucking that chocolate babe. On the lake with that pansy, ayy. Got to making that double take. Need my bitch now that she on my grave. Candy tasting that shit so ayy. On the lake with that pansy, ayy. LSD pills, what's the deal? Cause that be here. I'm too